How to create an event on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to create an event on Facebook, simply first of all launch the Facebook application on your device. As you launch the Facebook application, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Now just scroll down and here you can see the option of events. So tap on events. Here if you want to create an event, simply tap on this plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. So you can mention the event name. So let's just suppose the event name as Youth Empowerment. And you can select the date over here. Let us select the date to be 23rd and select the time to be 10:30 maybe AM. So set it and then tap on done. And you can select is it in person or virtual. So we're going to select a location over here. And then after selecting the location, you can tap on who can see it. You can tap on public. And then you can write what are the details of the event, like what is going to be happening, what is the highlight, and so on. After that, you can just tap on create event over here. And as you tap on create event, so just wait for a while until it loads and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on a device to further process. And as you do that, there you go. You have created an event. So thanks so much for watching this video. See you next time.